learning about path and reflection of light and mirror images. You might have seen a beam of sunlight when it enters a room through a narrow opening or a hole. You may have also seen beams of light from the headlamps of scooters, cars, and engines of the trains. Similarly, a beam of light can be seen from a torch. Some of you may have seen a beam of searchlight from a lighthouse or from an airport tower. Light travels along a straight line. Let us perform an activity to prove that light travels along a straight line. In this activity, we look at the lighted candle through 3 cardboard with holes arranged in a straight line. We can easily see the candle flame. When 3 cardboard with holes arranged not in a row, we are not able to see the candle flame. This activity shows that light travels along straight lines. Reflection of light. How can we change the path of light? What happens when light falls on a polished or a shiny surface? Shining stainless steel plate or a shining steel spoon can change the direction of light. The surface of water can also act like a mirror and change the path of light. Any polished or a shiny surface can act as a mirror. A mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. This change of direction by a mirror is called reflection of light. Let us play around with the images formed in mirrors and know a little more about them. Activity. Let us place a lighted candle in front of a plain mirror. Try to see the flame of the candle in the mirror. It appears as if a similar candle is placed behind the mirror. The candle, which appears behind the mirror, is the image of the candle formed by the mirror. The candle itself is the object. Now move the candle to different positions in front of the mirror. An image formed by a plain mirror is erect and of the same size as the object. Now place a vertical screen behind the mirror. Try to obtain the image of the candle on this screen. We cannot get the image on the screen. Now place the screen in front of the mirror. The image of the candle cannot be obtained on the screen in either cases. Right or left? Activity. Stand in front of a plain mirror and look at your image. Raise your left hand. Our image raises the right hand. Now touch your right ear. Our hand touches the left ear in our image. This means that in the mirror, the right appears left and the left appears right. We saw an ambulance on the road. The word ambulance in front is written in a strange manner. We can now understand why the word ambulance is written like this. When the driver of a vehicle ahead of an ambulance looks in his or her rear-view mirror, she or he can read ambulance written on it and give way to it. It is the duty of every one of us to allow an ambulance to pass without blocking its way. Hence, we say that in the side mirror of a scooter or a car, the images of all objects appear smaller than the object themselves. Summary. Light travels along straight lines. Any polished or a shining surface acts as a mirror. An image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. An image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. The image formed by a plain mirror is erect. It is virtual and is of the same size as the object. The image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. That's all, folks. In our next subtopic, we will study about spherical, concave, and convex mirrors.